Substance Abuse and Mental Health Services Administration, SAMHSA, is the agency that awarded the Partnerships for Success Grant 2018 to the Rhode Island Department of Behavioral Healthcare, Developmental Disabilities, and Hospitals. 6 regional coalitions were awarded the Partnership for Success Grant in October 2018. This is a 5-year grant to prevent underage drinking, 12 to 20 years old. This video will highlight the many evidence-based programs, campaigns, and initiatives that have been achieved over the last few years.
We all know what the goal of advertisements are, to try to persuade the consumer to buy the good product or service being shown. However, sometimes the product being shown is dangerous to its intended audience. Typically, we see this when alcohol and tobacco companies try to market their products to youth under the age of 21. Sounds crazy, right? Well, Media Ready can teach you all about this issue.
Media Ready is an evidence-based substance use prevention program that educates youth about media literacy, alcohol and tobacco messaging, the adverse effects of alcohol and tobacco use on youth, and how these companies specifically target them.
The Media Ready program has become an incredible opportunity for Rhode Island middle and high school students to learn about the harmful effects of alcohol and tobacco in their age group by pointing out false claims being made by the manufacturers and advertising companies. While teaching adolescents to stay away from alcohol and tobacco is not a new concept, this program is unique because it simultaneously teaches our children to think critically of statements being made in all advertisements, not just limited to alcohol and tobacco.
The 10-lesson curriculum includes goals, objectives, new vocabulary terms, activities, facts, statistics, and references in each lesson.
When the students leave this interactive program with their new proficiency in media literacy, not only are they able to recognize what claims and advertisements are false, but they're also able to examine what information was left out, which is just as important. They are also able to express elements of creativity and collaboration by working with their classmates to create a counter ad. As an instructor, this course is great to teach because it shows me that we as a society do not give our students nearly enough credit. The discussion points that they bring up during the lessons on a wide variety of real-life issues show that they have been sensibly interpreting the world around them for a long time. There have been several times when I left feeling like I learned just as much as the students. Despite being relatively new to our area, the results that we've gotten so far have been overwhelmingly positive.
Road Rules is a statewide campaign that aims to educate and inform Rhode Island residents about the social host law, which states it is illegal to buy, provide, supply alcohol, or provide a place to consume alcohol to anyone under the age of 21. The campaign also raises awareness of the health and social consequences of underage drinking, including impacting brain development and decision-making skills. Never buy, supply, or provide alcohol to minors.
The Alcohol Licensee Guide was developed to provide licensees and their employees with information and resources to reinforce their responsible beverage service training and certification. Examples of topics include facts and statistics about underage drinking, both nationally and in Rhode Island. How alcohol affects the brain and the development of the teenage brain. What a standard size drink is. All the drinks that are pictured are different sizes. They all contain the same amount of alcohol, which counts as one standard drink. Blood alcohol concentration and its typical effects physically, psychologically, and on a person's ability to drive. Rhode Island state laws related to underage drinking and preventing sales to underage youth. And best practices to prevent underage sales and drinking, which is primarily for licensees, managers, and supervisors. The guides are available in English and Spanish and are provided to licensees and their employees each year. It is edited periodically to update statistics and more recent information that becomes available, such as changes to state laws.
Thank you so much, Kevin, for joining us today for Sticker Shock. We'd like to know, what is it that you enjoy doing with us and the Partnership for Success grant?
Yeah, I think it was a really great opportunity for South County Coalition, the package stores in the area, and the police department to get together and actually physically put the stickers in places people could see. I think as we do this every year, it's a great way to inform, educate, and remind our community of the implications of providing minors with alcohol. So I really enjoyed the whole process, and I hope it continues year after year, because I think the consistency will increase the education of our community.
Thank you so much. We appreciate your help.
And next year I can't wait to do it again.